Hi and welcome to this video where I'm going to be teaching you how to make merch on teespring.com. So in my last video I showed you my merch and why I use teespring.com, but for this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own merch on teespring.com. So if you've watched my last video all about Teespring, you will know that Teespring has the option to actually connect to your YouTube if you are monetized. So I've clicked on just any of Christina Randall's videos, and as you can see, her merch shows up along here. I don't know if any other merch websites do this, but it's a really cool feature that Teespring does offer. I'm going to go into my listings. So once you've made an account, actually let's go to start designing, but I just want to mention there is this digital product section, which is really cool. You can design phone backgrounds and computer backgrounds and all sorts of things like that, which is really cool. Okay, so we have choose your product, and as you can see there's a wide range of products, and they do carry this brand which is actually really good too. And if you know Culture Kings, the clothing store, they actually sell that brand too for t-shirts, and it's really good. But here we have all your digital ones too. There's just so many. Oh, you can even create ebooks, which I didn't know, and courses. That's really cool. Yeah, there's a huge range of products. So let's just say we're creating a man's staple t-shirt. So here you actually have the option to pick different colors. So in this type of t-shirt they only have these colors, but often they'll have like 20 different colors to pick from, and you can just keep adding different color options, but you do have to add an image. So let's find one of my transparent PNG images from my designer. So this is a character from my book, and here you just have to make sure it tells you the print quality, but let's say I wanted to do it small on the back, on the front, and big on the back. Now you do have to have kind of high quality images to do this, so it's a good idea to get a designer to design them, or if you're a designer yourself, or you can even design stuff like logos and things like that on Canva easily. You just go to Canva and search logos and it will come up with them there. So anything like that, and then it should show you, yep, a preview in every color, and then you just pick the price. So this tells you how much profit you would get per sale. You can change this if you wanted it to be a bit cheaper, and this is in USD pricing, so American or UK. They don't have Australian pricing or anything, so when I'm figuring this out I just go and convert it online to see what the price would end up being for Australian dollars. So just keep that in mind. So say I want it to be a bit cheaper, I'll see if I'll still get a cut. If it's $20, no. So 21 I get $1. 22, 23, you get the picture. So when we continue, once you have your product, and then it's there, so you can either continue if you're done, or it shows you a bunch of similar products that you could make and what your design would look like on them. And you can go in and change a little bit more and customize it and things like that. But we've got accessories as well. I love these stickers, they're really cool. Let's just say you're done, so you can name your creating new listing, or you can add a new listing, and you can type the logo that you want so people can find it. But what I found is that they will all just show up on your home page anyway, so on your store page, sorry, so they're not going to be put into different categories. Although when someone actually does buy something, this is what will come up when they bought it, so you know what they bought. So Teespring does manage all the inventory and everything. People buy it directly off your store on here. Teespring makes it and sends it out to them, so you have nothing to do with that. And then you just get the money in your account when it comes in, like your cut of it, which is pretty cool.
So yeah, I've made that mistake a few times where I have just put a generic name like merch and then all it says is merch when someone's bought something, so I don't actually know what they bought. So I'm trying to make a conscious effort now to do that. So let's just say mermaid. Mermaid merch. So the URL will be like that, or I can change it, but yeah, it's public. You can go what your name store is. So this just tells you it's preparing your listing. So now you can see the product in your store, which is really cool. And now you have the option, which you didn't before, to copy the link and send it to Facebook or Twitter or wherever. This is new too. Order samples. You can do that on the homepage as well. But so there is our t-shirt, and these are the sizes that Teespring puts up. We have no control over this. It's different with each item that you pick. Now let's try with a different product. Oh, you can click here to see your store. So these are all the products that are in my store currently, and as you can see I have a lot. But yeah, there's a different, these are the things that I would personally wear that I think would be quite popular. I do have one digital product, but I want to do more like a phone background or try out more of those. But the people who have ordered my merch, and I've ordered some too, have all said that they are really, really good quality and comfortable. There is the new one, which I'm going to actually delete because that was just for show. Actually, you know what? I am actually going to keep this after all. I just adjusted the image size a little bit, and I'm going to take away some of the colours. So I'm going to keep black and that nice like salmon kind of colour. So I do want to show you some of the different types of products that they have aside from clothes. I've never looked at this colouring book one, but this looks really cool. So by the looks of it, you just upload the image, and it would have to be an image that people can colour in. So something black and white with a empty middle. So that's really cool. You can do digital art, weekly planners. Some of these would actually be really good for my store. But there's digital, and you can adjust things like this on, that's cool, on Canva as well. Like the sizing and stuff, it will tell you what kind of size you need for iPhone backgrounds and different things like that. There is accessories. That's interesting. I can't imagine how something would print on a glass cup, but that's cool. And there's, yeah, backpacks, beanies, keyrings now, or pins, keyrings, patches, different things like that. So that is really cool. And homewares, this is really interesting because they actually have towels and backdrops, blankets, shower curtains even, posters, pillows. So it's really cool. As you can see, they have a huge range, and you could even ask your followers like what they would like to see, do a poll or something like that to see what you should sell. But there is a lot to pick from, which I love. And as you saw before, if you had put an image on something, it will show you other similar items and what they look like there. But I do want to show you the home page and how it works with your money and everything like that. So basically, it's pretty straightforward, but you enter in for your payouts, like your PayPal or whatever, and here shows you how much you've earned and like how much you're going to get paid from it. So this is what I earned. So Teespring takes their cut, and that's what extra amount I got each time. And then here, I'll show you that in a minute. Actually, here you can look in analytics on the homepage. By the way, if someone has bought something and you have money there, it takes a few days for it to show up here, like to be paid, because Teespring kind of processes it, and sometimes it will say you're getting a certain amount, and then like the next day it'll change to a different amount. But yeah, this is just showing me how many orders I've gotten in April so far, how much my profit was, and just an example to show you what I was talking about how it shows up. So the URL, I know that someone bought an accessory, but I don't know what it is, so it'd be a good idea to label each thing like sticker, mermaid sticker or something. Here I know violet is the mermaid, so I know that it was an item of violet apparel. Again, this is annoying because it doesn't tell me what outfit. And merch, joggers, killers, so that's good, I know that. Character, fox, so things like that, that's good to keep an eye on. And then listings, it just tells you everything that you have listed and your store. Tools and integrations, so this you can set discounts and stuff like that, promotions, things like that. I haven't really dabbled much with that, but here, integrations, this is where you would set up your merch with your monetized YouTube channel. I don't really know what these things are. I know Discord has something to do with Patreon, but either way, that is what you can do there. With analytics, the one annoying thing about Teespring is actually that you can't download, at least at this point, a like summary or like an Excel document telling you what you earned for the month, because I like to download those from each income stream I have and keep track of them for my accountant for tax time and stuff like that. You can't do that, so I just have to screenshot what I made and put it in the folder, which is a bit annoying. Also, their customer service can be a bit slow as well. With that being said, I think that they are the best merch company that I have found. I like that they're print on demand and that they have a wide range of products. It's fairly simplistic, so I just wanted to take you guys through that. I hope you found this somewhat interesting, and I hope that you enjoy Teespring if you choose to try it out.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you got something out of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can stay updated with all my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.